Hey guys, Marvin here from Driven by Graphics, and basically just wanted to record a quick video on how I use custom page sizes with my Sawgrass SG800 printer. Basically, I'm about to print design for a bottle opener, and I don't want to have to use a full sheet of paper, and didn't really have anything else to print, to fill up a full page and that sort of thing. So this is what I do. Basically, a while back I had printed some shirt designs on 13 by 19 paper, and whenever I do that, typically I don't use that full page, and so what I've done is actually cut off strips. This is actually a 3-inch wide strip that come off basically off the bottom of that 13 by 19 page. So let me jump over to my desktop real quick. This is the design that I'm going to end up printing, and let's jump into here. So this is basically, I just went to Control Panel, went to my Start menu, Control Panel, and went here to Devices and Printers. Let me just pull this up a second time. And so this is Devices and Printers, and I scroll down to my Virtuoso Print Manager and click up here on the top as Print Server Properties. And I had already defined a custom page size. I can show you how to do that here. So you would, to do a new one, you click on New Form, you basically name your form, and then once you put in whatever sizes you want, do Save Form. Now what I found a while back is that I named mine with this 0, this leading 0 here, and then named this particular one custom page size, because I'll change it from time to time for things like this, because maybe I don't know what that off-cut size of paper is going to be. And so what happens when you add this leading 0 in here is it's always on the top of this list. So I don't have to go search for it down here, towards the bottom. Where, for example, I actually have 11 3/4 by 17, which is a custom, I want to say custom page size. Condi actually sells this size that will fit in the main tray of your SG800. So that's a size that I had set, and I leave that in there to be defined always, but I don't have to scroll down and find particular page sizes. So that's why, like I said, if you named it just custom page, it's going to be way down here because it's numbers first and then alphabet. So with the leading 0, it's always on the top. So this is going to be a width of 3 inches and a height of 13 inches. You always kind of load these in a portrait orientation in the printer, and so that's why it's only 3 inches wide and 13 inches tall. So I'm going to click OK, and I'll click OK here, and now from this screen I'm just going to click Print. I was not selected on Photoshop. Right, so click Print. So I'm not going to print to my Rollo printer, I'm going to print to the Virtuoso Print Manager, VPM. Now in this list, so I clicked on, I always do this, click on Print Settings, and this is where you want to define your page size of what size you're printing to. And this is where you'll see I have that 11.75 by 17 is in here. There's also a 13 by 21 that I've added, because that's not default in this list. 13 by 21 you can also get from Condi, and I believe some other sublimation vendors as well. But in this case, I actually want to print to this custom page, right? And that's going to load in a portrait orientation is how I have that defined, but in this case my design is landscape. So I'm going to choose landscape here, click OK. Now this preview, that did not preview correctly. Let me actually change, it's easier in my brain for me to just change this, make sure we get these correct. Image rotation, I'm just going to turn this 90 degrees to be this way. Now everything's portrait orientation, and so when I go here, change this to portrait, this should actually show correctly, and it's not right now. Oh, I did not save my custom page. Hold please. Let's go back here, Print Server Properties, 3-inch by 13-inch. Save that. Click Close. Alright, let's try that again. Page settings, custom page, click OK. There we go. And what I was looking for, it's hard to tell because it blends in a bit, but this page size will actually show here on top, 3 inch by 13 inch. I don't know if you can see it there, but very low contrast. But so that's showing correctly now. So I'm going to go ahead and click print. That's going to send it to VPM. I will change cameras. So this is my page. I'm going to load this in my printer. Now I do this in the bypass tray. You cannot see this, but I'm adjusting the bypass tray to fit the 3 inch width. And basically just stood it up. I don't know if this is going to show. I can't get it. This camera's on top of my monitor. So, you can see here, now though, it's a little bit far away from the camera. Basically I have the paper just standing up in the bypass tray with the guides adjusted. Let me go back to my desktop. Alright, so here, just quick things of VPM. I always change and recommend changing the substrate and other settings in here. Maybe I'll do a different video on VPM later. But in this case, I'm printing onto metal. And so I'll click metal here, and that is dye trans paper. And for dye trans paper, I click the media street option as well. The key here is that on this right side in the preview area of VPM, you'll see that this is actually reading in a 3 inch by 13 inch page size, because that's how I had previously defined it, and that's how I sent the job to the printer. So that's good to go there. I'm just going to click print, switch back printers, and you can actually see it print. There you go. Grab it when it comes off the printer. So no wasted paper. I actually used paper that would not have been used otherwise, and got this printed out. So ready to sub. But yeah, so that's definitely a way you can go in and add custom page sizes. This back. Custom page sizes, and use different page sizes in your Sawgrass printer. Some people don't recommend doing that, of using the offcut pieces. I've been using these sort of things in my printer since I've had it in 2016, so I haven't had any issues. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and comment on the video, reach out to me directly, and I'll answer any questions you've got. You guys take care. Have a great day.